Hey everybody, today I'm going to unbox and try out this super unidirectional condenser microphone. Pretty neat, huh? I like using an external mic sometimes, and my camera has an input for a microphone, which I'm not using right now, but I usually use. This nice box. How's it open? I guess this is a nice carry case. Instructions, which I'm not going to need, because I don't speak that lingo. Condenser mic, takes a battery. I think it's a AA or AAA. Can you read that for me? What's that? Okay. And it's directional, which means it shouldn't pick up too much background noise. There it is. Nice. Nice weight to it so far. Look at that. Tele, I guess that's to zoom in on the sound. Normal or off. Has a nice big windscreen. See? Has an adapter jack if you had that size, or the regular 3.5mm input like I have on my camcorder. Nice long cable. See that? Professional. That goes into my camcorder. This goes into the mic. Just like a regular professional microphone. And this microphone cost me $20. Do you believe that? See if it's worth $20. Alright, to put the battery in, do I have to unscrew that? Let's find out. Alright, I see this unscrews, so that's easy to put the battery in. Oh. AA. Alright, that's nice. Let me get one. I always have a bunch of spares. Oh! See? My battery station. One AA that way. Easy. Nice solid connection. Anything light up or anything? Well, let's plug it into my camcorder. I'll show you where that plugs in. A lot of wire. I don't know how many feet that is. A lot. And remember, I have this adapter if I want to go into a big sound system, which I don't need right now. Plug that inside and see if get a reading on the meter, and we'll hear a difference in sound.
There it is.
All right, testing. Bob Barker here. Show me. Welcome to The Price is Right. How's it sound? Look like Gene Rayburn or somebody, huh? Bob Barker, have your pet spayed or neutered. Tell her what you want, Johnny. Tell her. A new car. So that's the tele mode. Let's see if there's a difference. I'm going to play it back on my computer and see if I hear a difference. Tele mode. Off. That's normal mode. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Can you hear me over here?
Alright, let's test the background noise with the microphone pointed this way. Say something back there.
Can you hear me over here?
I can hear you, but I don't know about in the mic. Talk and I'll point the mic at you.
Here I am on the other side of the camera. Can you hear me over here?
See, let's see if there was a difference when we play it back. This is nice, and I got a mic stand too. Let me get that mic stand. Plus, it has a mount I didn't show you. It's nice, isn't it? You don't have to use this wind adapter. Blocks the wind. See? That's cool. Towels are kind of scratchy. I like it.
Here's your mic stand.
I'm waiting wiggling this cord. It's not going off and on, is it? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Looking good.
All right, here's my mic stand. And this mic stand, I only paid about $20 for it too. I'll put a link down there to both of these. Look at this. You could also, I have a mount on my camera. I'll show you a picture with a light and a slide mount for a microphone. This is cool. This holds 2 microphones. This mic stand or boom, whatever you want to call it. I was using my little tiny microphone and I had this in the background. Clip here. The stand also has a clip like this, so you can use it like that. You can only use it like that, and it's fine. It's a little bit funny. Pretty cool, huh? We could have this in the background, or use it as a boom mic, like you saw already. See when I stand back 3 or 4 feet. Testing, testing, testing. Hello, hello. Pretty cool, huh? I like it. We're gonna go check the sound quality on it. Let's switch to tele-zoom mode again. Does that make a difference? Farther away? Alright, I had to share it with you because maybe you're looking for one of these. And I really like it. And this whole setup was less than $40. I believe the stand was $20 or $24 maybe, I don't know. But the microphone was $20. But you know how they change. I'll put a link down there. It's cool. What do you think?
I think it looks nice. It looks easy to work with.
Keep talking, I'll switch modes.
I'll be happy to hear how it really sounds.
Alright, that's normal mode now.
Okay. We'll check it out. It's a good test.
I'll show you a picture of my camera now. I'll take a picture of my camera to show you what kind of setup I have here. See, there's the light. There's the camera person. Here's the little mount I have for a microphone and the external light. Sometimes I use, sometimes I don't. Let's show the input of the microphone. Turn it a little bit. And my mic goes right there. Nice. I'll put a link to the camera there too. We like that camera. We both have this camera. For now. Okay. This other mount it comes with has a like a hot shoe mount, but not powered. I can slide that on my light bar over there. Nice. Can get over there like that. There it is with it mounted. Well, turn the sound on there. Or turn the camera on just for the sound. Go ahead. Is the sound on there? Alright, I hope it sounds good. We're going to find out when I play it back. And if it don't, you'll hear it too. But unplug the microphone and we'll hear the difference in quality. Talking. You see the difference in quality? Okay, plug it back in. You like it? It don't have to be seen either. You can keep it a distance away. Alright, stop back soon. Check this super unidirectional condenser microphone out. Talk to you soon. Please subscribe. See ya.